Coming in hot. Coming in hot.
Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to go through how to draw a regular pentagon using the exact method. We have been given that the length of one side AB is 42 millimeters. So let's begin. We are going to first draw the length of one side AB. So that's my line. I'm going to measure 42 millimeters. That's my 42 millimeters. That's my A and that's my B. Next, I'll stand at B and open to A and draw a circle. Now I'll complete the diameter of the circle I've drawn, the previous line I drew. Yes. Now this is the most crucial part. Because you are drawing a pentagon, you're going to divide this line. Let's name this part point C. We're going to divide line AC into 5 parts because you are drawing a pentagon. If you are drawing a hexagon, we divide it into 6 parts. So that's the key thing you have to take care of. So I'm going to divide line AC into 5 parts. So I'll draw my acute angle. I think it's too faint. Yeah, that's my acute angle. And I'll step off 5 equal distances, starting from A. So this is the first one. 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, I'll join the last point to point C. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, I'll draw parallel lines to line 5C. So let's see how you go about it. So I'll balance it. We have already done this already, so I'll support it. I think this is too far off. Move it closer. I think this is better. So then I'll support one end of my set square and align it with the line. And I'll support it at the other end, something like this. So I have this. I'll move to point 4 and I'll draw a parallel line, still maintaining the base set square at the same position. Alright, so we have our 5 points now. So here's our 1. Sorry. Here's our 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next, stand at C, open to A, and inscribe an arc upwards. Just upwards. So that's my A. So I'll inscribe an arc here. That's going to do. I think this is better. So this way. Then stand here, open to C, and inscribe an arc to upwards. Next, where they intersect, mark the area. Now draw a line through that point, through point 2, to touch the circumference of the circle. So here's our point 2. So this to make sure it's aligned with it. That's our line. So let's name this point D. Right. Next, we stand at C and open to D and transfer it to the top part here. So here becomes our D prime. Alright, so now let's join D prime to B. And we have one length of the pentagon and another length here. Now let's bisect line AB and line BD prime and get their center point. Open to more than half. Inscribe an arc. Inscribe an arc. Inscribe an arc. Inscribe an arc. Next, you bisect line BD prime. So open to more than half. Inscribe an arc. Inscribe an arc. Step here. Inscribe an arc. Inscribe an arc. Now let me actually get the point. So easier. Alright, so now where the two bisectors intersect, let's mark the place and let's name it point E. Next, you stand at point E, open to E and draw a circle. Next, you pick length of AB. Stand at A and inscribe an arc. Then stand there again and inscribe an arc. Now let's join the point, the arc, sorry. And that's how to draw a regular pentagon with the exact method.